4th of July is coming, and you don't want to bring the same old macaroni salad. What you want to bring is the Chicago Dog macaroni salad. It's got a lot of great flavors. All right, our first ingredient is mayonnaise. And this macaroni salad is really different than anything else I've tried. I've got mustard. Okay, we've got celery salt, poppy seeds, brine from pickles, got sweet relish, doing salt and pepper. And now I'm mixing it up. So this is supposed to be a take on a Chicago style hot dog. It's got a lot of the same ingredients. All right, our next ingredients are onion that I've chopped up. Oh, and I forgot to say I'm only doing half a recipe because there's only 2 of us eating it. I've quartered cherry tomatoes. I've got kosher baby dill. I've chopped that up. And mild banana peppers, which I've also chopped up. Mix that up just a little bit. I'm going to push that to the side. And I'm going to cut a hot dog, 2 hot dogs up. Now, the original recipe I saw was on a channel. The guy's name is Harrison Wallace. Now, he didn't put the hot dogs in it, but he served it with hot dogs on the side. I read the comments. Everybody said, why didn't you put the hot dogs in it? So that's what we're trying. I'm just dying to know how it tastes with the hot dogs actually in it. Okay, they're chopped. I'm going to move my bowl back and add the hot dogs. Now you might want them cut smaller, not quite sure. Now I'm going to add my sauce. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stir again. So if you've ever had a Chicago dog, most of these ingredients are in it. I wanted to do all of this before adding the pasta, which is ditalini. So since I'm doing half a recipe, I have half a box of ditalini. I'm adding that now. So it's cooked and drained. And we're going to stir again until everything's incorporated. So I added the ditalini. I'm adding it last because I didn't want it to get broken up while I was stirring it with the other ingredients. So that should be last. Okay, this is the Chicago Dog macaroni salad. And I wanted to say we chilled it after I made it, or I chilled it after we made it.
And I want to say, what a name.
Yeah.
Sounds a little crazy. I wasn't so sure about this one till I tasted it.
That's right. Now the final step, I put it on marks, but I'm going to show you. Picked up some creamy dill pickle chips. Let me tell you, these chips are good. I can't believe it says for a limited time.
I can't believe I've never had them. I love potato chips, and yeah, they're great. I love all kinds of potato chips, but never had these. Love pickles, love potato chips. What a perfect combination.
And hot dogs.
Oh yeah, and tomatoes.
Yep. All right, we're gonna give it a try. Yeah, I gotta pick it up.
I'll try and get everything on one fork. All right, I got it all.
Had to get a hot dog piece. Really good. Really good. Like that a lot.
Me likey. Very nice.
I think it'd be a great addition to your 4th of July party or your 250th celebration.
Or even for Independence Day. We had such a conversation about whether she would say 4th of July or Independence Day, so she tried to say them both at the beginning, and
that didn't work out well at all.
it made it sound like she was talking about two completely different events in American history.
Sometimes words are hard.
That's okay.
Yeah.
It's YouTube.
It is.
You're among friends.
Yes, exactly. Well, this is really good. I know it sounds like some strange ingredients together, but it really works well.
Your guests will remember you if you make this or take it or bring it or have it at the next party. It's pretty good, actually.
Yeah,
I really like it.
All righty. Well, we're going to eat more of this.
All right. Well, let's say goodbye to the good folks.
All right. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. 2 videos a week. The recipe's always in the description box. Bye-bye.
Good job.
She don't need promises. She just wants the truth. She brings the calm just like a quiet prayer fills the room. Kisses like Sunday, fights like Friday night. And I'd go to hell and back just to hold her tight. She slips right through my hands and shows up like nothing's changed. Yeah, she's wild when she wants, like she's never coming down.